It's very interesting with trading in the markets. At times, we will actually see positive news announcements, yet the company's stock price will actually drop. Now, there's an old saying historically that says, buy the rumor, sell the news. And as a result, what tends to happen is that traders who are not really educated follow the news announcements, especially when they're positive, and they believe that there's an opportunity to get into the stock because they think it's going to go higher. We call that FOMO, fear of missing out. Now, I've been guilty of that, especially when you have biases. However, institutions and banks trade what they see, not what they think. So as a result, there are times where we're going to see great news announcements, we're going to anticipate price going higher as novices, and all of a sudden prices are going to go down because that's exactly what banks and institutions are expecting us to do. So it's very important to become educated to understand how the news can personally impact your trading decisions.